water.
You can't shine it directly on it. You have to shine it like near it.
Oh.
Shine it like above it. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. So that we can see that there's a tree on the line. Shine down the trunk of it. Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Probably. Just to make sure.
I don't like standing here.
It's just so heavy.
Yeah.
There's no way.
No,
they'd have to cut it.
Yeah.
We'll hit the winch up a lot higher.
Mm-hmm. Go there and tell him it ain't happening. He's coming back around this way, I think.
I don't think it's happening. That thing's not going nowhere unless you cut it.
No, it's too heavy. They're gonna have to come out and do it. They're gonna need a bucket truck or something. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Be nice to have some electricity. What's it supposed to get down to tonight? 14?
9.
Oh, God. It's pretty. There's a lot of it. It's a lot of snow.
It is pretty.
It really is. I'm glad the rest of them are straight up and down.
Yeah. Except for the branches.
Shh. Look at that one right there. That's awesome.
Punch the bottom of it. That one up next to the house is beautiful.
Up there, that one,
The big one.
the pine,
Yeah.
big old hemlock right there. Look how droopy it is. It's awesome.
It looks cool down there with the house.
I bet it does. I'm gonna try to stay upright, unlike Elijah. Wow. It's so pretty. Looks like a postcard. I'll have to call Abby and let her know that her power's back on. None of us have our phones.
It's weird.
It's kind of bad. I think we just saw the explosion and we all came running out.
And it was bright too.
It really was. And then it flamed up and yeah.
And then you can see on that tree where it caught on fire.
I know. I'm gonna go look. Don't fall. It's slick here. It's icy. Oh yeah, toasty. Yep. So the power's been out since 5:30? 5:30. And I guess they tried to turn it back on and this tree was on the line, which we did not know. And then when they turned it on, that round cylinder box there didn't like it very much.
You're pretty good at that. You should make a YouTube channel.
Jesus. Oh, Lord. But those people up there have power. And those people down there have power. And it looks like we have power, but we have a generator going. You know what? They might have a generator going up there, too.
Yeah.
So I guess what we need to do is run inside and start making phone calls to our neighbors. So what's the verdict?
It's not coming down. Get the tow truck. It's got to come off there. They're just going to cut it.
I know.
They're not going to get a bucket truck up here right now, so they'll just cut it and they'll yank it like they did that other line up there.
Yeah.
They'll keep pulling until it comes off of the line.
Well,
So it could be nice to do it for them. Or I don't know if there's anybody down at the bottom of the hill, power company wise or not. I don't see anybody. But
okay.
let's cut it. I'm gonna get some light situated in some manner that I can see what's going on. And then once we cut it, we'll try to pull it off. I don't think there's any danger of it hitting my truck. The lines are gonna keep it away from my truck.
I would bet.
How can I fix this light?
Do you want me to stop recording now? What do you say?
I think it's a no.
Starring Elijah Kingery. And the famous, infamous Jeff Patton. You got a flashlight, Elijah? He might need us some.
You need that? That help?
Ooh, baby's got it.
Just did a 10-minute video. Jeff trying to call some chainsaw.
That's all you get.
Oh. 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 Chip.
Unless you need boots next year for Christmas.
How are your new boots treating you?
Hey, I didn't miss a beat. What are the odds?
Well, I think you better hurry. Which, you're gonna have to pull it to the left? Yeah. So how you gonna do that?
I wonder
You
if
just
you
pull-
swung it.
I was thinking you just bring the end this way.
Maybe?
Come on.
I think that's probably gonna be your best try at first.
Probably, because they probably lift it up too.
Yeah. I probably should have cut one, huh?
Well,
Yeah.
If
I
you-
should probably
if you-
cut another chunk off
I
of
said if
it.
you cut another chunk off, it might swing itself.
it might.
Gosh dang it, guys. Why did you say that?
I wanted to watch truck.
We're amateurs.
We do tow truck stuff, not tree cutting stuff.
I thought I saw a light up there.
That was that box blowing again.
Jeez.
It looks like a lumberjack with new boots.
He acts like one.
I think it's the beanie.
Oh, watch it. Yeah, I think that's better. You probably might be able to push it now. How does one person get to be so cool?
I have no idea.
Blind him. Watch it.
Oh, come on. Really?
Oh gosh.
There it is.
Woo!
All right.
All the lines are intact. That's the way we like it.
Turn it on, boys!
I think the power company owes you some money.
It was the beard.
Well,
We'll see.
I ain't cleaning that mess up.
Was
either.
that,
Somebody else can.
no.
Huh? Probably start that one.
Best ice scraper ever. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Winter Wonderland here. Christmas Day, we had hundreds of thousands of people come in for the holiday, renting these cabins. We probably received 400 phone calls this morning. People stranded, needing help, stuck in their cars late last night. No power, running out of fuel. We got down to single digits last night. But it's been crazy. My phone is still going off right now. We're going to see if we can go to town, and I'm not sure if we can help anybody, but the emergency system's overrun. No one's answering. Mountain roads are no place to be in 6 inches of snow.
Very nice.
Let's just say we're having a lot of fun.
I was able to find a parking spot overnight.
Good one.
It didn't block the road.
Yeah.
Y'all probably the most popular people in Tennessee right now.
Yeah.
Um,
We won't be able to get one.
yeah, that looks a little bad.
This one.
This is, because mine's been making it back and forth, and there's several pickups that have been making it. We've shoveled enough that there's tracks all the way up. But I defer to you. I mean, it's posted like this, and that's slush. I mean, it's not.
Yeah. I'm in a two-wheel drive,
Oh, okay.
so, and it's 20,000 pounds. Once it starts going,
It ain't stopping.
it's not stopping until it hits the bottom.
You know who, or do y'all have any other in y'all's fleet four-wheel drive trucks, or is it?
I mean, there's a lot of companies that do. You're just at the mercy of wait times. We've hundreds of thousands of people. It's crazy.
I know.
You guys been busy this morning?
Yeah, it's been crazy. Which way do you want me to? I could probably set up over here and pull it to me, or do you want me to?
You tell us.
Yeah, which way? do you
You're
think
just
is
leaving
easier?
in it, right?
Yeah.
Is there? It looks like
Probably
there's a flat
easier for
spot
me
up
just
there
to
turn around.
pull up here and then just pull you back up onto the
Then
roadway.
I'll get mine up here out of the way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all. Thank y'all so much. Well, y'all were the first ones to call back out of 5. So.
Yeah. Don't go.
I actually got stuck down there, and I got out. Believe it or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
We saw those ruts. That was deep.
Yeah, I got out of that one, but I can't get out of the one up there that busted. I got a busted side.
The newer they get, the less they give you to hook to. We don't want to make it a Flintstone ride for you, that's for sure.
It's a rental.
Well, then it might be okay. I always get the rental insurance. They tell me if I just brought back the bumper, then I'm fine. I'm gonna grab the back and spin the back around.
Good thing it's icy, it just slides.
That's the first time anybody's ever said that.
Yes, hold the brake. Hold the brake.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope that'll do it. You're free, brother. Yep. Oh, yeah. Guys, we're still going from the snow apocalypse we've gotten here. It's been horrible. We've had people sleeping in their cars, no power, still almost 3 days in. There's cars everywhere. It's crazy. We're I don't know if we can get these out of here or not, but
So you have to look at the license plate on that one.
what does it say?
Way vague. They're in the ditch. So how are you gonna get the Armada out without hitting them?
Should just be able to pull it straight down to us. The other one's like,
Should be, but
yeah, this will be fun.
solid ice. Let me
I guess we need to get them coming.
yeah.
I don't remember who she was.
You didn't bring glass?
I don't remember what number she was.
She was not the last one that called you, but the one before that. Yeah, all the twos.
I got no signal.
They couldn't, I mean, it's a good spot that they backed into. It's fairly, I mean, look at right there.
Yeah, that's bad right there. No, it'd be a pretty easy deal, I'd say. But no signal. Will you kind of watch my cable and see what I got?
Sure.
Actually, I'll go ahead and get some more chain. I'll do chain instead of
Okay.
unrolled because I'm already halfway there.
Yeah.
Well, I know. That's what we wanted to do.
But yeah, let's
You act like you were surprised or something.
yeah, I know, because it's slick.
That one there, on the other hand, there's not even a tree over there, is there?
No, there's that big one way back there. So, I guess the more we pull them over into that, the better. As long as we can get them out of that. Once we get
Yeah, as long as they
past
don't
that
get to
car.
that.
Yeah, if you stop by that post, but there's no sideways pull.
I could probably get over there, somewhat.
Yeah.
Somebody went down. I hear, are you all right? Someone must have fell.
Oh no.
Luggage and all, huh?
Yeah. Oh goodness.
Hey, at least he's laughing.
That's all we can do at this point. Good old vacation.
Well, you guys have a lot of faith in us. You went ahead and brought your luggage and everything.
Yes.
So there's no power up there?
We have
It's
power,
going in
but
and out.
it blinks
Okay.
every 30 minutes or so.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll stay on. It stays on for a good 5 or 10 minutes, and then it just
Back out.
and then it flickers, and it's never out more than a couple seconds. But it's always like, is this the time that it doesn't come back on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, most of the county has been out for 3 days, so it's
Yeah.
Well,
we
it's
got
crazy.
here. We've had to have a hotel.
we were
Yeah.
staying in a hotel tonight, and we got to our room, and it hadn't been cleaned, and there was stuff
Yeah.
scattered everywhere. So we went
It
back
was
down and tried to get another room, and they said we don't have any more. So we're like,
Yeah.
we'll go try
And
our
the
cabin.
HOA person said There's just a little ice at the bottom of the
Just a little?
So I'm very, I told the boys coming down, thank God. This part is what got us, because we would have been in trouble.
Yeah, up there would have been way worse.
Not a chance. No, it's horrible.
All right, if you want to hop in, I'd go ahead and start it up. And probably if you want, just go ahead and put it into neutral.
Okay.
And just be ready with that brake.
Yep.
Hopefully what I'm going to try to do, it's immediately going to want to spin your front end around. So hopefully we'll get it to coast enough to get going our direction.
So I don't want to hit this car.
Right. Well, that when I was coming down, that was in my
Yes.
brain.
Well, I don't know that you could hurt it now, but that's crazy.
Still don't want to hit him though. Be ready for the emergency brake, right, Jeff?
Yeah, his foot brake will be fine. Okay. I'm not going to pull him anymore from there. Let me get unhooked. Try to go to low gear and see if it'll pull forward right around in this area.
I'm sorry, what?
Tell him to go to low gear and try to come up right here.
Like first, or low, and you're going to go to him, okay? And you're just going to cover your brake. Please don't hit this car. Right?
He's got it. Go straight, straight, straight. That's good. That's good. All right. One down. Okay. Plan A, which I'm not sure is going to work, but I've got a tree up there. Hopefully I can get it. I don't know if I can get up there or not. I may have to like throw that at me. Yeah, I don't think I can get up there. Yeah, I don't think I can get up here. If I do, I'll never get down. That's going to be a no-go. No. And I'm guessing all these people want to leave.
here. You have the keys.
I don't think I can get up there to it.
I don't know. I'm looking.
To be continued. Will you?
Let's go slow and we'll stop if we need to. Ah. Snow is falling.
So am I doing the same thing? Neutral, foot on the brake type thing?
Yes, but I'll let you know when we're ready to do that. It'll be a minute.
But if I'm gonna go over there now.
Okay.
I'm going down. No, you come over here with me.
Is this a front wheel drive car? I don't know. Hello.
Somebody call me out here to move a car.
I don't know.
I'm sorry, sir.
Are we gonna stay in gear? Yeah. You're gonna stay in gear, okay? Okay, so just hold tight, don't steer, just keep it in park exactly how it is, okay? Don't do anything, just hold tight. Neutral, hold your foot on the brake, put it in neutral. And you can let off the brake slowly, but hover.